Oh, hi everyone. I'm glad to see you there. I'm in a bathtub. I'm going to take a shower. So today is the 26th anniversary of Disney Pixar Toy Story 2. Well, let me tell you, there's a new friends here. We have Woody, Buzz, Mr. Potato Head, Ham, Slinky, and Tyrannosaurus Rex T-Rex, named Rex. And we have a new character. We have Jessie with the Rotus Tootus cowgirl on her head. We have Bullseye, the Stinky Pete prospector. And there's Sarge, from the planet with the space aliens, the Buzz Lightyear. And we have the Al's Toy Barn. We have named Al, who's going to be dressed up like a chicken. And we have she has a tiny little cute girl. We have a female dolls called Barbies. And they're called Barbies. Look.
I'm in the marriage spot. I'm in the marriage spot.
Well, that was a very funny hand. And you might go into the cross the road, the airports, how to get to drive, how to get to the airport, the toys to throw the Pizza Planet truck to get to the airport. And I finally made it. I've been to the airport before, and I've been in Puerto Rico, Florida. After all, airport is a lot of fun, don't they? Yep, they always have pretty fun. My. Oh, that's a lot. Wow.
There must be a safe way. Okay, here's our chance. Ready, set, go! Drop! Go! Drop! I said drop! Go! Drop! Ah, that went well. Good job, troops. We're that much closer to Woody.
Well, I hope you would enjoy the Toy Story 2 26th anniversary. And I'm choosing the crossing the road scene for you guys. And that's all for the clips. And then thanks very much for watching of the Toy Story of Disney Pixar Toy Story 2, the second movie of the 1999 sequels by Disney Pixar with new characters. And I'll see you in the next video.
Inside a Playhouse Disney.